Meaning of girlfriend.
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 Girlfriend. A girlfriend is a female partner in an intimate relationship. She is someone with whom one shares emotional and physical intimacy, often involving romantic love and sexual attraction. The term girlfriend typically refers to a romantic partner who is not married or engaged to the person in question. Being someone's girlfriend implies a certain level of commitment and exclusivity in the relationship, although the specific terms and expectations can vary widely between couples. Overall, having a girlfriend involves a close, intimate bond with another person, characterized by mutual affection, respect, and trust.